In today's video, I'm going to be super quick and I'm going to explain how did I make a pine tree with super simple modeling and obviously I'm going to explain everything click by click. This is a tutorial made for beginners. My name is Ivan. For those who do not know me, I have been teaching Blender for more than 4 years and the plan on this video is simple. You just follow along and you will be able to create your own pine tree. That being said, let's begin. First, we must select everything and press on delete. Now let's create some cones. Open up this menu and on the vertices option, select 32. Now I'm gonna enter edit mode, select everything with A, press 1 on the number pad to have the front view, move everything with G and C. And now that we have something like this, I'm going to select this face that is at the bottom and press on delete. Press on X, faces. I'm going to select all these vertices. Press number 1, extrude with E, then press C to only extrude on the C axis. Maybe like this. Scale it with S and do it one more time. E, C, and extrude until we have something like this. I'm going to move this vertex down and now we're going to select one vertex, then another one, do not select it, select the next one, and now that you have two selected, one yes, one no, and one yes, press Ctrl Shift plus to continue with this pattern selection until we select something like this. Now press S to scale down. Now we must go to the modifiers tab and add a solidify modifier. And when we have something that looks like this, now we're going to rename this cone to cone perfect. Let's go back to object mode, duplicate this, right click to leave it on the same place, select the cone perfect and hide it. Now I'm going to make it uneven. I'm going to use the vertex selection mode, then the proportional editing activated. And for this, we are going to move the vertex around. Maybe like this. This one down. Let's move it like this, like this. Maybe one size is bigger than the other one. And when we have some uneven cone, the next thing that we have to do is just select this cone, right click, shade smooth. Let's add a material. Right now you cannot see the color since we are on the solid shading tab, but let's change it to material preview. Now we can see that this cone is looking green, but I do not like that it gets some shine on it. To fix this, let's change the roughness from 0.5 to 1. Let's make the green a little bit darker. And now I'm just going to duplicate this cone, rotate it a little bit on the C axis, scale it down, and let's make one more. Now we have something that looks like a pine tree. I think this is a little bit fat. So to fix this, just change the scale on the X axis and also on the y-axis. Or you could just press 1 and scale it on the z-axis. I'm going to change the color to almost white since I want to use the spine on this village. Now to make the tree trunk, select everything and hide it. Let's make a new mesh with a cylinder, enter edit mode, and now let's select this face, rotate it just some degrees, extrude it, rotate it again, so it looks uneven. Add a new material, let's make it brown with the roughness of 1. Let's unhide everything and make this smaller. And now we just made our first low poly tree with Blender. If you are like me, you like to use Blender, you like to learn new things on Blender, and you hope that one day you could be a full-time 3D artist. And that's why I make Blender for Income on SKOOL. Here we're going to learn how to make money with 3D printing, character creation, being a freelancer, selling assets online, making YouTube videos, learning how to monetize on different platforms, etc. I'm so excited to announce that Blender for Income is currently growing and that you can also be part of this community. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and if you have a question, just leave it on the comments. Thank you and see you on the next one.